said, fucking
Have a chop your dread, let that sink in.
It is day 4 and we are back. This is the day all of you guys have been waiting for. So let's make it to the dyno because I think I'm gonna be late.
I'll be back home, but I gotta go to work.
Alright, so if you guys didn't know, we had a super long drive. It was about an hour from where we were, but this is our first time going to this dyno. Honestly, I wasn't really worried about it. We seen some nice stuff on the way there, like this drift BMW here. Has super cool tints. I tried to get some cool roller shots, but we were kind of late to the dyno, so we were trying to rush there. We were so focused on that, getting there on time, not keeping people waiting. Now, this build has came a long way from day 1 all the way to day 4. If you guys have not checked those out, make sure to go check out 1 through 3 and you will understand what I'm talking about. Watching a stock car drastically change like that, it sounds different, drives different. It's just an animal already, and I cannot wait to see what it does on the dyno.
Can't believe that we made it this far. Can't believe that we made it this far. Look, mama, now your son is a star.
Okay guys, we are at the dyno. We made it. My car's leaking coolant, but that's another story. The M4 is on the dyno and we're gonna see what it makes. We have no clue what horsepower this car is gonna make or if we're gonna make it off the dyno, but let's see.
That's still a lot. That's
First pull,
and it was
667, we out! We out of here! Okay, now 667 first pull is insane, but we were not done yet. $676.
Stock on the log. It's 85. Yep. Keep it on. Pero now you get 17.
Bro, what you think, bro?
this shit about to make 7.
Bro, this shit about to be like 8.
Right?
So the moon, what you think, Cinco?
Woo! 668. Oh my god.
First pull? That's crazy. Make sure to like the video.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Yo, that's insane. So we went to this dyno with a goal and we were not leaving without it. So let's get some more pulls in until we reach our limit. Not really. Yeah.
How many?
Go on corn. Eat some corn. Go on a diet. Corn only.
You guys got popcorn in this? Or?
Yeah. Yeah, we go to. You know that's how, right?
No, but
Shout out to this guy. He let us use the dyno.
shout out to you guys for being prepared and having a well-built car.
Y'all heard that, right? Y'all better like and subscribe for that. But look at this list right here. Top horsepower. Look at this list right here. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make it, but we're gonna be close to number one of these right here. After the first 2 pulls, we definitely knew we were on the right path, so we kept pushing. In our heads, a few more pulls and this car will be ready to touch the moon by dinner time. But without the tuning support from Steve from Wedge, and without the 4N Motorsport single turbo kit, we would not be able to make this possible.
This shit right now.
How many pounds is it?
32 pounds.
Okay.
It'd be cool if we could see.
I think they usually got to like 36.
Bro,
22
Bro, what?
pounds. Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah.
you know how much power that is?
Bro, this is gonna touch, I'm telling you, like 740 the next rev.
It all depends on what that boost actually was and what we're actually targeting. You know what I mean? Because maybe it didn't even make. If you were targeting 30, maybe it only made 27 or 28. You know what I mean? Like,
You can actually look at the line.
can you?
Yeah.
Bumbleclaw!
Now, any bumbuckler, one of them come next to me. Watch out now. Hurt them! Hurt them! Hurt them!
Jesus Christ! What is that, bro? What you eating, bro?
Pumpkin rice, Jamaican pasta, and sweet chili salmon.
Okay.
A1.
Okay. All right.
Still ain't gaining no weight, but I'm
Yo.
Like water.
You know I got that candy.
Dripping like water.
Yeah.
You want 'em, I got 'em.
So at this point, we seen the dyno graph and we seen that the tuner was fine tuning the tune, but we just kept seeing the numbers go down. I'm not gonna lie, we were losing hope that we wouldn't reach our horsepower goal that we set before we got here. Wait, why do you like these guns? Because these things make power.
Sounds skirtable. You're a Honda guy, 6 or 2.
I need his tuner.
You need his tuner?
He replies faster.
Yo, bro, what do you think it's gonna make?
725.
725? I got 740. Yo, bro, what do you think it's gonna make, bro? 750. 750? Come on, baby, 740. Come on, baby, 740. Oh, 704. I was close. I was still close. Yeah. 704. Let's go. Let's go. 700 horsepower car. Shout out to the man.
Still working it up, bro. I think there's still.
You think there's still room?
I think there's still room. I don't know. I'm not too. I don't see the log, but I think there's still room.
Yo, look at bro face. Serious. Serious. All right, guys, we're gonna do one more pull. What you thinking, man?
That and fucking insane.
We're gonna do one more pull to wrap it up, and then we're out of here. So what is this graph right here? What did you do?
This is the first pull of the day versus our last pull of the day.
Okay.
And you can see how much the mid-range we picked up. I mean, that's pretty close. First pull of the day at 5,500 RPMs, he was at 564 horse. We're now at 682.
Yeah, so it picked up a lot from the first pull.
It's all in this mid-range. I mean, you're talking over 100 horsepower. Right.
Sound crazy, right? That should sound crazy.
You're gonna feel the biggest difference to you on the ride home is gonna be how it gets. Like once you're into it, it's gonna feel relatively the same. The shocker is gonna be when you step on that pedal and you're waiting. You're gonna be like, okay, anytime now, like you normally would be, and it's already gonna hit.
It's gonna smack. Like, wake up, wake up.
100 wheel horsepower, 100 torque, it's gonna smack. Huh? Is it?
Damn.
Maybe I can get some.
Your town got the rain, but ours.
Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, that's true.
Our shit was completely dry, bro.
Yeah, it was completely dry in my house too.
And you'll literally see the separation when you drive through. Yeah. Like, bam. So you like, yo, if I step over here.
I do hear thunder though. Our goal was reached, and the car came off the dyno in one piece. We reached our goal of 700 horsepower with ease and more room for improvement. Yeah! guys, the car is tuned, it made power, and I am wrapping up this video. If you guys like this content, just like the video, comment down below what you thought the car was gonna make, and I'll see you guys again.